lashes can enhance your eye makeup and your overall appearance. Now let's start. All you need is a good quality cosmetic glue. Step 1. Carefully remove the lashes from the case and you may trim it according to the length of your eye. Step 2. Uplift your eyelashes with mascara. Step 3. Some of the lashes have white rims, so apply an eyeliner on it. Step 4. Apply glue on the rim and give few seconds for it to rest. Step 5. Place the lashes at the center, very close to your natural lashes. Slowly pinch them, moving your fingers from the outer corner to the inner. Step 6. Once again use your mascara to merge your natural lashes with your fake lashes. And you're done!